Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another knockout form in Cuphead, and this time it's gonna be the potato. I think his name is Moe Tato, but I keep forgetting what it is. I know you guys keep telling me. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin, we're gonna draw some wrinkles first. This one's actually gonna be a little bit trickier. So right here, we're just gonna try to get in these two curves. It's actually gonna be his forehead on the wrinkles. So right here, now we're gonna draw his eye. So we'll start on this one first. So we're gonna make one curve, and this is gonna be his eyelids slanting downwards a little bit. And then we're gonna continue with this eye. We're gonna come down. We'll curve it back up. And then inside, we're just gonna draw almost like a little crescent shape. Okay, so that's one eye, and on this side, we're gonna draw this one. This is the tricky part. So right here on this corner here, just kind of draw like a little line coming down this way first. Okay, and then from here, now I can draw the eye. Just go all the way down, and then here's the eyelid. Okay, and then from here, we can draw the other eye. We can see only about half of it, the crescent shape. Okay, so once we have this, let's see, now we can draw his little nose, which is gonna be really easy, so just right in the middle. Okay, and then from here, we're gonna continue this curve, just kind of come down a little bit more. It's actually his cheek being pushed around. And then right here underneath, we're gonna draw his mouth. So it's just gonna be one kind of like a sad face. Then we're gonna curve it up. Okay, so that's his mouth, and now we can draw in his teeth. So right here, we're gonna go right across. And then in here, it's just gonna be two lines. So this one is really easy. And then for his lower lip here, we're gonna give it a little bit of a detail in here as well. And now we can add in some detail right here. So this eye, got a little bit of bag. Okay, I'll just draw a couple of lines here. And then another one, his temple area. So once we got in this big shape, now we can add in the little details. Okay, so from here, we're gonna draw in some more wrinkles. So we're just gonna draw a couple more lines for his forehead. Okay, so it doesn't have to be exact, as long as there's some lines there. So now from here, we're gonna draw his hand. So right here, draw a line there. Now we're gonna draw his fingers. So we're gonna go 1, 2, and 3. And then his thumb is gonna come out a little bit. Then we come down, finish up the palm, and just kind of right around there where the lip ends. Okay, and then from here, we're gonna curve this one in. I know it's a little bit weird, but just follow me. Okay, and then from on this side, now we're gonna curve it, just giving some thickness to the line, and actually end up drawing his hand, his arm. Okay, so from here now we can, let's draw the little just curve and just kind of connect to that line. That's this little cheek thing going on here. Okay, and then let's draw the other hand. So about the same size on this side. One curve. So we're gonna draw one finger, 2, 3, and then again his thumb kind of comes out a little bit. Curve it, and then now this one, just curve it back. Again, right here, we're gonna give her some thickness, and that's just gonna be his arm. And down here, we just draw a little line, this little bit of creasing going on for his cheek. So up here, it's got a little bit of creasing here because he's moving around his cheeks. Okay, so I think that's the hardest part. So now let's move on to the top of his head. So we're gonna draw the big potato. So right here, give it a little curve, and then we're just gonna go up, stop right around there. I'm gonna draw like a big bump here. And then we're gonna continue down, go across and down, right around here. So now we're gonna go, just draw 3 little bumps here. Okay, and now we're gonna come down we'll do it. We'll give it another bump here as well. So now we're gonna come down right behind his arm. Okay. Now we're gonna curve this. Well, let's start from this side. It's easier. So from here, we're just gonna curve. And we're just gonna connect them with one big curve. Okay. So now that we have all that, so the detail part is gonna be easy. So this is gonna be one little lump there. And on the side, just give it a little bit of these folding clumps. Okay, and right here we continue this line here, right there. Then we're gonna give, now it's just a bunch of little details, so that's the easy part. So we're just drawing these little lines here and there, and there's gonna be some spots. Then in here, it looks like it's got another lump, so we're just gonna draw 3 and some more spots. And probably down here, looks like it's got more wrinkles. And that's it for this knocked out potato and cuphead. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.